All right, so we'll see what kind of second year Noah Spence has. He had shoulder surgery. Maybe he could have had stem cell therapy. A lot of guys have opted for that. Dr. Lox is the expert in stem cell therapy in not just the Bay Area. He has an office in Beverly Hills, and he joins us. Dr. Lox, how are you?
I'm good.
I know you. Thank you. I know you've made Derrick Brooks a whole lot better in his golf game and in his everyday life. First, it was his wrist, and I guess that worked so well, he decided to do his knees. Explain what you did for the Hall of Famer.
Well, Derrick has been really quite blessed that he didn't have that many injuries, and he had some wrist problems and used cortisone injections, but they just didn't last. So he contacted me, and we did his wrist, and he was pleased, and then he decided to tune up his knee. So I was more than happy to help him.
You were talking to JP about the tune-ups you did on his knees.
Yeah, I'm going to get a tune-up hopefully soon in a week or so because, Andrew Duncan is a friend of ours. He had the same thing, and he's been playing a lot of ball. So
he's been very active, probably more than he was before.
Yeah, exactly. And me too. So now I'm going to come in and get a kind of a tune-up. How's that work?
The tune-up?
Yeah.
Well, we change your oil, and
I love it. I love it.
No, it's pretty much the same what you've already experienced.
That's
it's quite very simple, and you won't have a problem.
Sent a buddy of mine to you, Derrick Jackson from Bill Jackson's, and you tuned his hip, you tuned his knees up as well, right?
Yes, we did. Very nice gentleman. We talked guns and kayaks and everything.
Yeah,
so.
he's a freak on the water. He loves to paddleboard and to kayak. Hey, for the everyday guy though, guys that are listening right now, they're not elite athletes, they may be workout warriors, or maybe in their job, it's a physically demanding job, and they have these pains that they want to get rid of. Talk about how you can help just the everyday ham and egger.
Well, the everyday person can get just about the same things that athletes can get, and especially the people who do very physical labor. So we get a lot of shoulders, knees, and hips, ankles, everything from people that just have not just industrial injuries, but accidents in the home. Another big one. Have that a lot. And especially the elderly, they're just harder to heal. So it presents a good option when surgery is not something they're interested in or they've had.
Hey, last resort for me. Yeah. Don't get cut on if you can help it. Get stem cell therapy. How can folks book an appointment with you, Dr. Lox?
Well, it's easy to get hold of me online, drlox.com. It's easy to remember. We have a local number too, 462-5582, 727.
462
5582.
Okay,
there goes 77.
DrLox.com.
Easy enough. Yeah. All right, I'm still holding off. I told you I had some elbow pain. It's now kind of gotten better, and it hurts my forearm now a little bit, so at least it's dissipated. And I'm waiting for the day that I'm going to have everything done. Did you ever do that all at once? Like knees, shoulders, elbows.
We do have requests for that.
Yeah. I'm going to request that right now.
There is a limitation in as you age how many cells each individual has.
I got a lot of cells.
Well,
I got nothing but cells.
Then we'll just
nothing but time and cells. That's what I got. Dr. Lox, LOX. He's the expert in the Bay Area. Get yourself fixed up.